Keep your water clean with water filtration maintenance. You're concerned about the quality of your drinking and bathing water, so you invested in a water filtration system. But like any investment, it needs proper care and maintenance to keep it working properly. Watercure USA Buffalo offers scheduled water filtration maintenance to help you keep your water as clean and pure as it was when you first had your filtration system installed. Every system is a little bit different when it comes to maintenance. Watercure serves over 4,000 residential and commercial water filtration clients. Our expert technicians maintain all types of systems, including pre-treatment systems, iron treatment systems, sulfur treatment systems, well water filters, reverse osmosis filters, water softeners, and many more. We pride ourselves on offering water filtration maintenance services that provide ongoing reassurance of clean, healthy water. If you would like to learn more about water filtration maintenance or get on our service schedule, call us.